My beautiful friends, how you are doing? Please watch this video multiple times before making your first try. If you don't like an explainer like this, don't worry. At the end of this video, I'm going to just let it play without talking. I've got a Telegram channel and group. The links are going to be in the description. If you fancy joining, check the description of this video. Finally, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That's how to know when my videos go live, okay? Now, I'm going to make a series of moves, and the reason is so this can go up, okay? The first is going to be to move this way, move this way, move this way, bring this down, push all three green candles to the right so this can go up. At this point, we're gonna move this way, bring this down a bit, push this down, bring this down, push all three of them to the right so this can go up. Then we'll push it back a bit, push it up, move it this way, bring this down, and the key passes. Now let's play without talking.